Here we have the premium sneaker cleaning kit. I'm so excited to use it, so let's get started. Inside the box, you have 4 items. You have the deodorizer, the sneaker cleaner, 1 soft brush, and 1 hard brush. Here I have my dirty, crusty shoes that need some help, so let's get started. I'm going to start off with applying the sneaker cleaner to the brush with the hard bristles because my shoes absolutely need some help. I then dip them in some water to get my shoe a little bit wet. As you can tell, I am shook because they already look clean after 2 seconds, which is phenomenal. Then I go ahead and grab the brush with the small bristles and add more sneaker cleaner and dip it in some water. Then I start cleaning the top of my shoes because they are a mess and don't even look like themselves anymore. The good thing about this is that I was brushing for about 30 seconds and they were already looking brand new. Then I'm going to add some deodorizer so they can smell fresh and clean, and you can see the before and after and they look amazing.